Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial on how to use Mendeley Web Importer. Mendeley Web Importer is a tool for pulling citations from a web page and importing them into your Mendeley Citation Manager, where you can manipulate the citation and even export it into other citation managers. Our first step is to go to the Medical Library website at medlib.oakland.edu. From there, navigate to the Mobile Resources section. Then to Productivity Tools, and then scroll to the bottom of the page to find Mendeley. You can also find Mendeley pretty quick using a Google search. You will need to create a free Mendeley account if you haven't already. For the web importer, you will want to download both the Mendeley desktop application, which you can find here, as well as the Web Importer browser extension, which you can find here. If you're unable to download the desktop app, you can use the website version of Mendeley as well. You simply need to log in. Once you have both applications installed, it is time to find an article. For this example, I will use PubMed. Articles on PubMed usually have an export option, but for the purposes of demonstration, it won't really matter where we go. Find an article. In this case, I will look at this one about diabetes, and then we will click through into the source of the article itself. You can usually find the source of the article over here where it says full text links. In this case, this one goes to Wiley. Now that we are at the full text, this is where we will do our web importer. Like I said before, most PubMed articles have an export citation option, which we find here, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we will use the web importer. The web importer can be found at the top of your browser, where this little red M icon is. You'll want to click that, and that should populate this list with some options for you. What Mendeley Web Importer does is pull data from a web page. A web page is full of different data and references, and it will pull everything it can find. However, you will notice that the first result is the one we're looking for. It even has the heading Journal Article. It will already be checkmarked, but if it is not, checkmark it and then click the Add button above it. From here, we head to either the Mendeley website or to the desktop app to look at our library. If you sync the library using this button, the article that we added should appear. Click on the article, and this should pop you over to the citation window. From here, you can manipulate the citation however you like. This will often be necessary as the importer does not pull citations perfectly in every instance, but it can still be useful to pull all of the relevant information into one place so that the citation can be fine-tuned. At this point, you can also export your newly made citation or citations for use in other citation managers, such as EndNote or RefWorks. Simply click on the citation checkbox, and you can come down here and export it into one of these various formats. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful, and thank you for watching.